Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening DU Recorder and confirming you're signed in. This gives the app the necessary profile context. Once done, make sure Facebook is ready for live streaming by checking your live permission and audience settings so you don't interrupt the flow. Next, grant DU Recorder microphone, camera, and overlay permissions on your device. Without these, the stream won't capture audio or video. Take a moment to position your overlay and test a short local recording to confirm audio levels and view framing. You now connect DU Recorder to Facebook by tapping the record button and selecting Live. This opens the sharing choices. Next, choose Facebook as the destination and log in or select the profile or page you want to stream to, making sure you pick the correct audience, public, friends, or only me, so your stream reaches intended viewers. Then set a clear, descriptive stream title and choose video quality like 720p at 30 FPS for stable performance. Higher settings may cause lag on spotty connections. You're ready to begin. Press Start Broadcast and watch the small status indicator for bitrate and connection stability so you can react quickly. While live, use DU Recorder's overlay controls to mute/unmute mic, switch front/back camera, pause the stream briefly, or show a custom overlay. These let you maintain production value without stopping. When finished, tap Stop Broadcast, then save the recorded file to your gallery. If viewers report issues, first check network speed and permissions, reinstall DU, or recreate the stream key before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.